Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I will be showing you how to make this 3-color blanket, and for this blanket we will be using our Plush and Lush velvet tube yarn. 3 colors, guys: navy blue, red and white. And this blanket is start of my series of a few blankets in colors of American flag that I will be showing you in the next weeks. So today I will be using again navy blue, red and white, the whole skein of each, and it will be pretty big blanket. It's 42 inches wide and it's about 70 inches long. You can use this blanket as an accent throw on a bed or in your living room on a couch. It will be perfect. It's very lush and beautiful. I will show you closer. So if you're ready, we can get started and make this American flag colors blanket. Let's get started. Make a loop, insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. This is your first stitch. Insert your hand inside the stitch and pull the yarn out. This is casting on for hand knitting. Keep casting on 18 stitches. Turn the chain on another side and use these little bumps in the middle. Lift it, insert your hand underneath, grab working yarn and pull it out. Lift that little knot in the middle, insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. Keep doing this way until you pull all stitches out. We have our first row pulled out. Second row, insert your hand inside, grab working yarn, pull it out. Insert your hand inside, grab working yarn, pull it out. Keep knitting this way till the end of the row. Next row, the same technique. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. Only this time we will be knitting from the right side to the left side. Keep knitting this way until you use all navy blue color. Now let's add red color. Pull out the filling from both navy blue and then red color. Leave the hollow ends, then take the ends, both of them, and make a simple knot. Secure it, and then take scissors and cut the tails of the knot close to the knot itself. Another way to do it, you can sew both ends together, but I'm showing you the very simple and fast way to connect velvet yarn. Now we will keep knitting. Just keep that knot inside the blanket. And the same technique as for the navy blue, we will be using for the red yarn. Let's connect white one. Again, pull out the filling from inside of the red, leave the hollow end, and then from the white end and leave the hollow end. Now make a simple knot, secure the knot, and then cut the tails of the knot close to the knot. Now we will keep knitting, and now we will be knitting all of the white velvet yarn that we have. Again, keep that knot in the middle of the stitch, then it will not be seen on the blanket. We finished all the white yarn, and now we will be casting off. 2 stitches together, knit as before, then take another stitch, add to the one you have on your hand, and knit 2 together. So the pattern is for casting off, it's taking 2 stitches together and knitting them together in a simple stitch. When you have only 1 stitch left, you will need to pull the end of, make that stitch, and then pull the end through that stitch like that. That's the finish of your blanket. Now weave in the end. Again, get rid of the filling inside, make the end very hollow, and then just hide the end between the stitches like that. Now we will finish the other end with the navy blue color the same way. Your blanket is ready. Look how plush and lush this yarn is. You can find this yarn at becozi.net. Stay warm and be cozy!